Your attitude is the number one thing that's going to forgive you. If you have a great attitude, you're going to be okay in life because you're going to be forgiven, okay, if you got a great attitude. People will be willing to work with you because your attitude's solid.
Yeah.
2 is somebody that knows how to deal with people, human nature, conversation, having tough conversations, challenging somebody, but doing it in a subtle way, like, just a spoonful of sugar makes the medicine go down type of a thing, where you know how to do that. Character, if you say you're going to do something, go ahead and do it. That's something that's very important. And we added a couple other things to it. But for me, if you learn human nature and you put a lot of time into studying conflict resolution, there's a lot of people that avoid conflict.